How to use ChatGPT without phone number 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT without phone number 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right here, if you want signing up, you can see the ChatGPT will ask your phone number. So what you can do in order to bypass this is to just search for receive SMS online. SMS online right here, and then scroll down until you can see this one right here. Click on that, and then from in here you can see some phone numbers. So let's click this one right here, click on open, and then from in here you can see this phone number. So you can just click on this in order to copy it. So let's copy this one, and then from in here you can see that there's some messages. So what we need to do is we can just head over back again to ChatGPT. And then let's remove this 63 right here and click on send code, and then they will send a code to this specific number. So once they have sent a code to that number, you just need to refresh this. You can just click on this update messages, and then this will refresh this page right here, and then you can get ChatGPT without your phone number. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use ChatGPT without phone number. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.